welcome entry 456, that beautiful sound.
Do you hear that sound?
That beautiful sound.
That is the sound of clean white shorts turning brown. Torture and pain, breaking the brain. A sound that says, I will never sleep well again.
The sound of a scream is music to me. A sound that says 15 years full-time therapy.
Trauma and fear, it sings in my ear. Ain't it the sweetest noise around? That beautiful sound. Ooh, someone's at the door.
You want to answer it this time?
More than anything.
Don't oversell it. Act natural.
Come on, you're giving me advice?
Hello, I'm with the U.S. Census Bureau. Time for a few. Oh my God!
Hi.
How many people live here?
Just me.
Oh, and you?
I don't live here. I'm dead. Panic and stress. Oh, ain't it the best? The sound of a heart exploding inside a chest.
It fills you with pride.
We're ruining lives. Ain't it the sweetest noise in town? That beautiful sound. Ooh, okay.
Pizza for Deets?
Hey, what'd you order?
Pepperoni, mushroom, and snakes.
Snakes?
Holy moly, a lot of people come to this house. Lights.
Hello? New neighbors? I brought you a pie. It's from the store. Ooh, I don't see any.
Hi there. Hey, Lydia. Check this out. Yes, I hear that sound.
No more condescending adults hanging around. They're out of my way. That's your symphony. Ain't it the
Sweetest noise around. That beautiful sound. That beautiful sound. That beautiful sound.
Amazing.